Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer sales tax reports from Etsy into your accounting, complete guide step by step clearly. To transfer sales tax reports from Etsy into your accounting system, start by logging into your Etsy account. Navigate to the Shop Managers section on the main dashboard. Click on Finances from the left-hand menu. Select Payment Account to access your transaction details. Scroll down to the Sales Tax section to find your sales tax reports. Click on View Sales Tax to see the breakdown of your sales tax collected. Choose the desired date range for the reports you need. Once selected, click on Download to save the report in CSV format. Open the downloaded CSV file in a spreadsheet application, such as Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets. Review the data for accuracy, including total sales, tax collected, and any exemptions. Prepare to import this data into your accounting software. Log into your accounting software and locate the Import feature. Follow the software instructions for importing CSV files. Map the fields from your Etsy report to the appropriate fields in your accounting system. Double-check that sales and tax amounts align correctly with your accounting categories. Complete the import process and ensure all records are accurately reflected in your financial reports. Regularly repeat this process to maintain accurate sales tax records. Stay compliant with your state tax laws by reviewing your taxes periodically. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.